Well, everyone, you might be in the situation where you're getting this no internet connection problem on TikTok. Now, this is a very common issue, and to be honest, it may be your fault and it may not even be your fault of why this is happening. So, the first thing I would recommend doing is checking the network connection on your phone. So, whether you have an iPhone like this or you have an Android, whatever it is, you just want to make your way over to your Wi Fi connection settings of your phone and you want to make sure you're connected to a Wi Fi connection. If you are connected to a Wi Fi connection and/or cell connection, you want to then verify that everything is working fine. So make your way over to, apple.com or android.com or google.com, whatever, and make sure you're able to load everything up. If you're able to load everything up, then you should be good to go for the most part. But if nothing is loading up, then that means you are having an issue with your internet connection and you're going to have to fix it. Now, if everything's loading up, then the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and just making your way over to your app store like this and seeing if TikTok has an update available. So go ahead and search up TikTok, find TikTok as you normally would, and see if there's an update. So you can see right here, I do have an update available. So all you want to do here is just go ahead and update your TikTok application, and that will 99 times out of 10 will pretty much end up fixing the problems in and of itself as well. Now, for some reason, and that still doesn't work, then it may mean that the TikTok issue may not even be your issue. It may be something going on with the TikTok servers. So what you can do here is you can type in something. I typically go to downdetector.com, but you can also type in TikTok, whatever. And if TikTok is like number one like this, that usually means TikTok was down. But you can see TikTok was down a while ago. It theoretically should not be down anymore. So you may just want to double check that. So if TikTok is, just running down right now, so if it's something like, I'm trying to give a good example, but it's funny that TikTok is number one. If it's like this right now, like this spike up as we're talking right now, well, then that means probably TikTok is down. If it shows something like this, even if TikTok is number one, that probably means TikTok was down a while ago. If it's still not working for you, double check your internet connection, restart your phone, or just reinstall TikTok, and that may end up fixing the situation as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.